Hey, hello everyone. Going to do a review about this amazing car. A couple of days ago, I did a review about this one. This one is also stunning. But this one is from the same category, also premium diecast, amazing car. From the brand Timemicro in a 1/64 scale. There are different variations from this model. I've got the white one and the blue one that came with a Paul Walker figure. This is the chameleon livery, so you can already see green, purple paint. Very well done. It's a adult collector's item. Let's have a look here on the side. More Timemicro. Collect Timemicro to share the joy. I totally agree. And here we got some information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Comes in a nice display case. Let's see. There we go. So yes, Nissan GTR 34. Let's take this off. And we can see it's a limited edition, although I think 2000 pieces is not super limited. This is number 324. Okay, now let's have a look at this beauty. Oh, love this paint. That's actually the reason I bought it. Plus the fact I already knew that this model is very well detailed. It got everything you need. We see brake disc, brake claw. And we're also going to check if it's rolling very well. That is not always the case with Timemicro. Lanced front lights, nice intercooler. We got a GTR license plate and a GTR logo there above on the grille. A lanced pinker right here. Lots of advertising tempo. Yeah, wonderful, wonderful model. For a car that is produced in numbers of 2000 pieces, I think this is definitely next level. I think this is very well done. Lanced rear lights again, GTR logo on the license plate, and we see a silver exhaust. I like that. We got heating in the back window. That makes it even more realistic. Let's have a look inside. See, we got anything special there? Oh, yes, I see some red color on the seats, on the bucket seats. Red with black. Let's have a look inside. Will the camera please focus on the interior? There we go. So no colored stickers on the dashboard. So it looks very good. I have to focus right here. Let's see if I can. Yeah, this is a little bit better. So no colored details, but steering wheel looks very authentic. We got a poke for shifting gear. Then we're going here. Yeah, very well done. Nice details. Now let's take it off the base and see we have a metal base. Oh, but before I do that, this car has an opening part. There we go. Yeah. Now I switch to another camera mode. Put some light on so we can have a better look. This is really cool. Yeah, and when I talk about next level, I know that there are diecast cars in 1/64 with much better details in the engine, but they are also a lot more money, and like I said, produced in 2000 numbers. This is really good. There's also here, let's see if I can take that out for you. So you can, there we go. Oh, let's open up a little bit more. Oh, you can see it, right? And then you have to put it like this. And then it will stay open. How cool is that? Now I'm going to put this back right here, and then we're going to close the hood, and it closed really nice. Did I mention the windscreen wipers? If not, I'll do it now. Okay, let's take it off the base. 2 screws. Meh. Don't like those screws. There we go. Oh yes, very nice base, but I was already expecting that. Going to compare it with the other cars there in the back, although I'm assuming that they are the same. Yeah, silver detail on the exhaust, I like that. Then we have the wheels, and they are rolling. Not super good. Front wheels rolling a little bit better than the ones in the back. Brake claw, brake disc will stay on its place. Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. For the ones that think that, for the ones that like rolling wheels, here you can see rolls pretty good. It's not for Hot Wheels racetrack, but the wheels are rolling. Okay, let's compare it with these two right here. The white and the blue. Okay, you can see, oh, be careful before it breaks. So here, same. I'm going to put this back before it breaks. It's very thin. Yeah, there we go. Let's see if we have the same engine details. That's what I'm curious about. So here, both next together, yeah, same color, same details. Well, I think this one here on the left has a little bit more details on the engine. I like that. But for the rest, they are the same. Also going to check the base. Yeah, same tires, same base, same exhaust, everything the same. And it's also going to be for this one. I think this one has just as much details as the chameleon version. Yeah, really nice cars. If you buy one of these, you're not going to regret. No colors on the brake disc, on the brake claw with this one. But still amazing. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Click, 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 click. And I will see you soon. Bye.